Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare rasavadai, for which we will need 1 cup of yellow chana dal. I am going to soak this in 2 to 3 cups of water for minimum of 2 to 3 hours until it doubles in size and becomes soft, and I am going to strain it in a colander until all the moisture is drained and blend it in a mixer or grinder to a fine paste. Unlike for the paruppu vada, we have to grind it very nicely. For paruppu vada, we have to grind it coarsely with some tits and bits here and there. But for this rasavadai, we have to grind it very finely without any pieces in it. And to this grinded mixture, I am going to add some chopped coriander leaves, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 chopped onion, and some chopped curry leaves. And also add about half a teaspoon of salt and mix it well until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed up, and then going to balls out of this, and I'm going to just flatten it a little bit, unlike the paruppu vadas where we'll be flattening it down very well. So you can see the difference. For paruppu vada we have to flatten it very well, but here you can see it is a semi ball. And now I'm going to drop it in hot oil and fry until it gets a light golden color. For paruppu vada, we will be frying it until it becomes dark golden brown in color, but you can see the difference here. It is just a little fried and a golden color, and that's enough. Keep it tight. For the rasam, we have to use all these ingredients: around about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 whole red chilli or 2 small red chilli, 10 to 12 small cloves of garlic, or 4 to 5 big cloves, accordingly you can adjust it, and some fresh coriander leaves, and 1 small size of tamarind, around about 1/4 size of a lemon, and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. So first we are going to grind the red chilli, garlic, cumin seeds and black pepper in a blender or grinder into a coarse mixture. Just 2 or 3 blend, that is enough. And I have soaked the tamarind in 1 cup of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. I am going to squeeze it well in the water after it is soaked well, and take the pulp out, and I will discard it. And to this tamarind water, I am going to add the coarsely grounded mixture along with the chopped coriander leaves, asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of them together, and I am going to add another 1 cup of water from the mixture so that I get all the flavors out of it, and I am going to allow it to come to a boil. And once it starts boiling, I am going to add the readily prepared vadas, the round vadas. Make sure that you do not overfill the vessel with vadais. Leave some space so that it will have some space to expand, because this rasavadais once get cooked will tend to expand in size like the rasagullas. So allow it to come to a boil again, and then close it with the lid and pressure cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. And rasavadai is ready. It is a very traditional South Indian tea time snack or tiffin. Take care you do not break the vadais, because it will be very soft. Take it with the help of a spoon and serve it in a bowl along with some rasam syrup. It tastes well with chutney and sambar. Both recipes you can find in Akshu's Kitchen channel on YouTube. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.